Guys, I've just landed here in Baku. I'm coming here after at least 1.5 years. I love this place, Azerbaijan. It's freezing cold out here right now. It's 6 degrees, but the wind chill is very chilly. So I'm excited to be here, guys. Watch out for my blog post over here. Baku, here I come. Alright guys, as you know, I'm in Baku, Azerbaijan, and we are here exploring this wonderful city and this wonderful country. I absolutely am in love with Azerbaijan. Today I'm exploring a new part of the city and we are going down to the mud volcanoes. So your bus can only bring you up to a certain point from where you are transferred into these small Russian cars. You can see how cramped up we all are here. Now what are mud volcanoes? Of course you can Google it and find out, but I'll tell you a little bit about it. Mud volcanoes are basically eruptions and volcano activities that are happening over here. Azerbaijan has the highest number. It's in the Guinness Book of World Record, the highest number of mud volcanoes in the world. There are 800, out of which 350 mud volcanoes are over here. I would like you to say hi to all my friends in the car over here. Hi! Okay, Karam. Karam is a guy in Baku.
Hi, Karam.
And we are on our way to explore and enjoy.
Okay.
We've arrived over here at the mud volcanoes. Like I mentioned to you, of course, there was too much disturbance in the car because of the road, which was so absolutely uneven, and there was a lot of hiccups along the way. So I've come to explore this wonderful UNESCO Heritage World Site. It's known for its mud volcanoes. As you are aware, Baku, Azerbaijan has the highest number of mud volcanoes in the world. There are around 800 of them, out of which 350 of these mud volcanoes are over here. These mud volcanoes are like any ordinary volcanoes, except for the lava. What erupts from here is mud, ash, and used basically, it's got a lot of medicinal use. People with neurological disorders, spinal disorders, and it's used in the pharmaceutical industry for medicines, and people with skin disorders use this mud to cure themselves. Also, you'll be surprised to know that it has a lot of chemical and construction use. I'm going to show you some wonderful visuals of these mud volcanoes over here. There was an eruption on 23rd of September in 2018, which was just recently, and that eruption was really massive because it created a crack in the earth 4 kilometers long and 80 meters deep. So guys, that's amazing information, and each time you explore a new part of the world, you explore, you find a new side to yourself. There are about 1,000 mud volcanoes in the world. 350 of them are in Azerbaijan. The country is a big source of natural oil and gases. The mud volcanoes are formed in the weak spots of the earth where oil and gases force its way to the surface. That first starts with a huge explosion and then a flame. But instead of lava, there will be a huge explosion of mud. Interestingly, the mud is cold, so you can touch it without hurting yourself. The substance has a lot of minerals, so sometimes people will come here to take mud baths in the volcanoes or to collect the mud for health purposes. The mud volcanoes of Kobustan are definitely an interesting phenomena.